Hey, welcome back to the channel. First, do me a favor and subscribe. Thank you. Let's get 1000 subscribers. And thank you for 300 subscribers. I really appreciate it. So this is the North Face Summit Vectiv Pro. Technically a trail super shoe. I wore these for more than 100 kilometers. This is how they look. This is a women's colorway. When I got them, only 2 colorways were available. So I knew if I see someone wearing these, it's going to be one of those 2. So I actually bought and returned the black and Volt and got these instead. I did a lace swap on these with these sick rope laces, and I've removed the insole. Actually, I think that right now this is my favorite sneaker I own. But recently I bought another incredible sneaker which I'm currently testing, and it blows my mind. I know I said I won't buy any more sneakers, but I had to get that one. Actually, it's 2 sneakers I bought recently. There's a new brand that I'm going to add right here. Anyway, I'm going to do my classic review on these, the things I don't like about them, some more on feet, and the things I like. So stick around. Alright, so the first thing I don't like about these is the price. Even though I got them for a discount, 163 euros for a 250 euro sneaker, this is still the second most expensive sneaker I ever bought. And the second thing I don't like about them, there are no accessories, there's no extra laces, nothing for that price. These are kind of loud when walking on the pavement because of the outsole lugs. The midsole should have been bigger. I mean, if you're going to use this nice squishy foam material, why not? There is no view of the carbon plate through the outsole. The carbon heel cup is cool and everything, but show me the carbon through the outsole for that price. I want to see carbon. When going down the stairs, I can literally feel these carbon bits when the foot bends, so this can't really be good for running, right? Because of the rocker shape, the toes seem to sit higher than the heel, which is weird. The upper creases because of the rocker shape. The gusseted tongue is way too thick. Look at this. What is this? It's also padded, so I really had to remove the insole to make this fit better. These also can't be good for trails with this ventilated mesh upper, because small pebbles, dirt, grinded leaves will get inside. And by the way, I hate when that happens. The exposed midsole on the outsole started to show signs of wear, but I did wear these kind of heavy though. This tall heel design really rubs on the back of the foot. Also, the mesh sock liner is not a good idea. From my experience, it will grind on the socks and eventually rip. And finally, there is too much in your face branding for my taste. Anyway, let's see another on feet and I'll be back with the things I like. First of all, I absolutely love the design. And the POV look is sick with the shape being wider on the toe area. I really like the plastic upper design and the style. It looks like little mountains. And this reinforced part for the toes and the sides. The toe cap has a second reinforcement on the inside. And there's still creases, but that's okay. Even though it should have been higher stack, I love how squishy the midsole material is. I'm obsessed with this material. These are super breathable and the materials are quite nice. The outsole is really grippy. And finally, these are quite comfortable. This tall back piece bends easily, so it's okay. Alright, so there it is, my review on the North Face Summit Vectiv Pro. Let me know if you have any questions. And thank you for watching.